Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have just purchased an Instabridge eSIM, then this video is going to show you how you can activate it and get connected in just a few simple steps. So first of all, what you need to do is you just have to simply get your eSIM online. So for that, you can just simply download and install the Instabridge application from the Google Play Store or App Store. Then you need to log in into your account and pick your desirable data package. After doing so, you just have to basically select the option of eSIM in the application. So basically inside the InstaBridge application, when you purchase the eSIM, you are going to see this section that would say my eSIM or my data. So there you are going to see the option of activate eSIM. You just have to do nothing but to just simply tap on that, and then you just have to follow further instructions in order to activate that eSIM. So when it is activated successfully, simply press the continue button, and then you need to go to the settings and turn on the mobile data line option as well. So this way you will be able to easily activate your InstaBridge eSIM online. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.